Hey there, and welcome to the Florida Keys. We're camping at mile marker 14 at the Keys Only KOA. We're just a short drive away from two of our favorite places, Key West and Marathon Key. We are here at the Southernmost KOA, newly reopened. Let me tell you, it is amazing. We're having a blast, and we're going to show you around while we're here. We were lucky enough to get a waterfront site just a few days before the park's grand opening on July 15th. I'll just say it now, this park is the best park in the Keys. The park is still under construction, but most of the premium sites are ready to go. They have great patio setups with both a table and a fire pit with chairs. There are quite a few pull-through sites with the same patio setups as the waterfront sites. For those of you that handle setting up the outside, there's a great feature for the big rigs. Pretty much all of the sites I looked at had two sewer hookups, one in the front of the site and one in the back. The views from the waterfront sites are really special though. There's lots of new landscaping between each site, along with plenty of room so that you don't feel like you're on top of the people staying next to you. What other campground has a great beach like this in the middle of the Keys? It looks like someone raked it this morning so that it was perfect. Not a footprint to be seen. Just another day in paradise. I believe the beach is open to everyone at the park, as there's little walkways between a few of the waterfront sites. It doesn't get much better than this. We're gonna check out the water. It's great. If you're enjoying the video, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe. It really does help. If you happen to have a boat, there's a boat ramp here. You can also put in paddle boards or kayaks. Don't worry if you don't have one, they've got rentals. There are plenty of boat slips here too. You can gas up here as well, and stop by the shop for any provisions that you might need. Did I mention that the park is very dog friendly? The staff loves dogs and there's plenty of pickup stations throughout the park. Let's go check out the camp store. It's got everything you need, and a lot of things you didn't know you needed. It's also going to have a small cafe inside, but it's not quite open yet. If you want to play cornhole, you're good to go. The bocce ball area is still getting set up, but it looks like it'll be ready soon. Don't quote me on this, but I believe that the space behind the seating area here is going to be for the hammocks. I hope so anyway. The pool is huge. You may not believe it, but this is the same pool that was here before Hurricane Irma. You'd never know it though, as it's been totally redone. And that is quite possibly the world's largest hot tub. It can take 23 people per the sign on the wall, but I'm betting you could fit a few more in if you tried. At night, the pool radiates a blue glow that's super inviting, but the bar is the real story here. The Airstream backdrop is an actual Airstream that was salvaged as part of the Irma recovery efforts. Kimberly, Cheryl, and Laura were so great and super helpful while we were there. And with that, our stay at the Southernmost KOA comes to an end. Catch us next time here at the Weekend Experience.